Hi guys, my name is Vanessa and I'm an undergraduate student at the University of Freiburg. And today we are filming at one of the most beautiful places here in Freiburg, the Schlossberg. So what's really cool about this place is that you have an amazing view over the city, but you can also just enjoy a cold beer at the Kastaniengarten. And if you're feeling a little bit too lazy for walking, you can always use the tram that is for free from 7 p.m. on. Or you can get a semester ticket that will cost you around 100 euros. A big plus for the semester ticket is that it's not only valid in the city center, but also in the surrounding area. So in summertime you can go for a hike in the Black Forest, or in winter you can visit some Christmas markets. And another thing you will notice at your arrival here in Freiburg is that almost everyone goes by bicycle. So make sure to get one, or you can borrow one from Frelo, and the first 30 minutes are for free. Personal recommendation from myself is that you grab a drink at Stühlinger, that you're going for a stroll in Fischerau or Gerberau, or that you just relax at the Dreisam or at the Bächle, which is really famous in Freiburg. Enjoy your stay!